People do stupid things out on the road all the time, and you might need to take evasive action as a result. That's why you might be asked to perform an emergency stop on your driving test. However, this is a requirement in just 1 in 3 tests, so the chances are that you won't have to do one. Your instructor or examiner will ask you to perform an emergency stop only when it's safe. Drive at an appropriate speed, about 30 miles an hour. Keep both hands on the wheel. When you're told to stop, press down firmly on the brake, but don't go mad and mash the pedal to the floor with all your strength. Just before you come to a halt, press down the clutch so the engine doesn't stall. Once you've stopped, put the handbrake on and into neutral. Crisis averted.